Hello, this is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this Have a Hoot Christmas card using the Have a Hoot bundle. So here's the Have a Hoot Christmas card and the supplies for it. And here is the bundle. So it has stamps for Halloween and Christmas and dies to cut out all the owls, as well as some special dies. This one right here cuts out 3 tags and 3 windows that you can use like I did on this Halloween card. It also has a spooky spider web and antlers that you could use for Christmas. So to start off on this card, I added some crumb cake ink to this rectangle stitched die using a brush. And I started off the die, off the piece of paper, and I started dark on the edge and then light towards the middle. And I did that on all 4 corners. Dark on the edge and then light towards the middle. And I like brushing on the ink. It adds a really soft texture instead of just cutting out a piece of crumb cake cardstock. And I like the variation in color. It's just really pretty and, like I said, really soft. You can kind of get lost in it. All right. Now I'm going to stamp using the same stamp that I used to stamp the owl and color, and I cut this out previously, but now I'm going to go back and color the branch again with Early Espresso. Just go in here and very lightly color the branch. And then I'm going to color all of the stars and dots with Pool Party. So get these stars, these cute little dots, turn it this way. And it will kind of ground the owls so they're not just floating in the air, and create a nice background for them. So now I'm going to add some dimensionals to everything. Let's see. Go ahead and use a different piece, although I'm running out dimensionals on this one too. And then we'll put this card together. We'll just center this and place this in the middle. So I'm kind of doing this up top here. I'll move it down. And then we're not going to do this yet, but I'll add the owls and the mistletoe, our little love owls, on their branch here. And the mistletoe. And now I've got some embroidered ribbon that coordinates really nicely with the crumb cake. And I'm going to tie some twine around here. And actually this would be a good time to go ahead and adhere it to the card. And place it up here. And then we can more easily tie the twine around. Right, so now I'm going to stamp on vellum with Stays On. You want to use Stays On to stamp on vellum or anything that is smooth or shiny or glossy. Stamp all owl I want for Christmas is you. There we go. We'll close this right up. And I've got some Stays On cleaner, and this cleans the Stays On right off your stamps. Normal cleaner will not clean it off. You need the Stays On cleaner. And it cleans it right off. And then the Stampin' Seal is great on vellum. You can hardly see it. And there we have our Lovebird Christmas card. There's even a heart die. Oh, it's in the Celebration Tidings. That's where I used it. I used it for this card. I used the Celebration Tidings heart to add for the lovebirds in this card. This is a Dutch fold card. This is a free class that I'm doing this Thursday at 9 a.m. on Zoom Pacific time. You can subscribe to my newsletter, elainescreations.net, and I'll be sending out information about that. If you see that in time, it's going to be October 29th at 9 a.m. I'm also offering a class, and it includes these 6 cards. And you can get the card kit for free when you place a $30 order by going to my website, clicking on Shop Now, and using this hostess code by this Saturday. And after this Saturday, you can use the November hostess code and just send me an email and let me know that you would like this Have a Hoot card kit class. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can check out all my videos, and please click on the notification bell so that you are notified each time I post a new video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.